Hey guys, my name is Dan, I'm a veterinarian, and welcome to the channel. Today I have a wireless kitty fountain that was sent to me, and this is really nice because we just moved out to the country, and our indoor-outdoor kitty cat likes to drink water from everywhere, but I would prefer that you drink from a fountain that had a filter on it, and this is going to be nice because we can put this anywhere we want. Of course guys, there will be a link below where you can visit the website and also get a discount with a discount code I'll have on there for you as well if you would like to purchase. The company sent this to me for free. I did not receive any money from them, but I did receive a free water fountain, which I am incredibly grateful for. Thank you very much. So they did provide me with a large number of extra filters. This will be great because Skabz gets her water pretty dirty. This pump right here is what allows me to not need a wire anymore to plug into the outlets. Let's go ahead and fill this up and let's see how it runs, and let's go ahead and put it outside for Skabz. I am activating the sensor with my hand, kind of like the kitty's head, activating it, the water pumps out and it gets filtered and you have clean water when the kitty's drinking water. Or you can put it on a timer, that way it is being filtered on a timer basis. The goal is we don't want this running all the time and drain the battery and an unnecessary filtering. Water can sit for a little bit, it'd be just fine. Of course it can. It sits in our glasses all the time when we're not drinking it. So this allows for us to save batteries and save energy and have a longer time frame on the battery, but also allows for the kitty to have clean water if we decide to put on a timer on a motion sensor. Alright guys, so not having to find an outlet is going to be huge for us, because like I said, Skabz likes to have her water bowl, her water fountain, either in the garage or in the laundry room or outside, and it would be nice to have filtered water for her. It's a bit cleaner, it's not just sitting in a bowl, and this allows us to do that, so it's super cool. If you guys want to go ahead and click on the link below, I do have a discount code you can put in there as well. We may even get a couple more of them for the outbuilding and just for other areas where our kitty likes to drink water and hang out and just relax. And just the convenience of being able to charge it up and put it wherever is going to be a game changer for us and Skabz. Alright guys, as always, my name is Dan. I'm a veterinarian. Thanks for watching, I greatly appreciate it. Bye.